Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OBSV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another pullback on the day, which is perfectly normal. I mean, as nice as it would be for a price to be able to go straight up every single day, pullbacks are part of the market, and that's just what's going on here. So now I bring that up just because it really depends on what your game plan, what your perspective was going into this in the first place. Meaning, if you were some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, maybe you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within, an hour. Well, from that perspective of things, yeah, things are looking very rough right now because the price has pulled back a bit more today. However, if you care about the general scheme of things, just the bigger picture, then everything is still perfectly fine. Another nice little level of support seems to have been chipped away right here. I mean, several times today, the price got right down around 395, which actually makes good sense why, it stopped right there and there. When you compare that with past history, you can see it's already, bounced off that area before. But 395 seems to be that near-term level of support. But I mean, even if the price were to go down to 395 and break below that, even I would argue at that point, I mean, the chart's still not ruined because the price would still have the opportunity to stay up above that purple line there, which on my chart denotes that very famous 50-period moving average. And even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay up above it. And that's what that would still, have the opportunity to do, even if the price were to drop below 395. Again, yeah, staying above 395 would definitely be best case scenario. But if that occurs, I mean, not the end of the world because you still do have that 50 period. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to continue to work itself higher, let's talk about some of these key areas of resistance. First key area of resistance now, if the price does try to continue to bounce back up there, going to be right there at $4.55. And then after 455, next key level up there right around 485. So keep your eye on those couple of roadblocks moving forward. But all in all, these are going to be the main levels to watch moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.